How to turn off seatbelt chime on 2023 Chevy Silverado, easy method. To turn off the seatbelt chime in a 2023 Silverado, use the infotainment screen to navigate to Settings, Vehicle, Buckle to Drive, and toggle the feature off. This allows you to shift into gear without buckling up for short movements, but you'll still see the warning light, as completely disabling the chime might require physical modification or professional tools, though the Buckle to Drive setting is the main software solution for preventing gear engagement without buckling. Steps to disable Buckle to Drive prevents shifting, not chime. Start your Silverado and let the infotainment system boot up. Go to the Settings menu on your touchscreen. Select the Vehicle tab or option. Find and select Buckle to Drive. Turn this setting off. What this does: this disables the feature that stops you from shifting into gear until the seatbelt is buckled. You can now move the truck, e.g., in a driveway, without fastening your belt first, but the seatbelt warning light will still be on, and the chime may still sound if you move without buckling. To stop the chime completely, more involved, disabling the chime sound entirely without using the Buckle to Drive setting often involves complex methods like physical sensor manipulation or software tuning, which can void warranties and isn't recommended for most users.